How to perform a factory reset on a Dell PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily perform a factory reset on any Dell desktop PC or laptop. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And if you're trying to do this on a Dell that you don't have the password on, check the description because I have a separate tutorial on how to factory reset a Dell PC or laptop without the password. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply go down to the Start button in the taskbar, right-click it, and then select Settings. Once in the settings, just search Reset, and you'll see Reset this PC come up. Select that. And then under Reset PC, select Get Started. From here, we just want to decide what we want to do with our files. Do you want to keep your personal files, remove all the apps and settings, which will be Keep My Files, or remove everything? This removes all your personal files, all the apps, and all the settings. So this is perfect if you're getting rid of the laptop or selling it, or if you think it might have a virus. So that's what I'm going to do is select Remove Everything. Then after that, you can select how you would like to reinstall Windows. You have two options, Cloud Download or Local Install. So Cloud Download is beneficial because you'll get the latest version of Windows. You won't have to perform an update after resetting. But if you have storage space issues, maybe you have low storage space, or you don't have the internet or low bandwidth, just go with the local install. This will not require you to download anything or have any additional space on your computer. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I just need to confirm my settings. So I'll select Next. And then it's going to prepare the computer to be factory reset. Once it's ready, all I need to do to factory reset this PC is select Reset. The computer will reboot several times. Nothing is wrong with that. And if it is a laptop, make sure that you have it plugged in to a charger just so it doesn't die while it's resetting, because that could hurt the computer. So that's how you factory reset a Dell PC or laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.